Out with the old, in with the new. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Let's check it out.
Get strong.
What comes in the box? Inside the box you have the quick start guide, you have the watch itself, and then you have the wireless charger. The watch is simple, beautiful, and eloquent. First of all, you'll notice that it has a very nice premium leather strap, stitched and made out of very nice leather. A nice touch, and it adds beauty of the watch. The watch itself has a stainless steel build. The build quality is excellent. It feels good in the hand and it looks good on the wrist. Now, some of the features: it has the Exynos 9110 processor, 1 gig of RAM, 8 gigs internal storage. It has a Tyson OS 5.5 system, wireless charging. The dimensions on this are 45 by 46.2 by 11. It weighs 53.8 grams. It's rated at IP68 waterproof. It has NFC, and the battery is 340 mAh. If you found value in this video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, so what we want to do now is we want to go to the application on the phone, the Galaxy Wearables, and we're going to add the device. So we go to add device, and then we choose Galaxy Watch 3. Okay, so next thing we want to do is, it says let's pair it up. We hit connect and then OK. Now it's going to download the software. Tells us to check the phone to complete the setup. Download is pretty quick. Okay, so now it's at 100%. Setting the phone up. Okay, so while you're pairing, you can take a moment to learn more about your watch. If you want to, you just click on the learn more, and basically what it's going to do is it's going to tell you a little bit about getting around. For example, your watch face is on the main screen. You swipe left to see your widgets. You swipe right to see your notifications. And using the keys on your watch. The back key to go back to the last screen, the home key, press it to show apps on your watch face. And then it talks about getting the best measurement results, how to put the watch on your wrist for the best health results. And you'll see there, basically you want to make sure that it's about a finger away from the top of your wrist to the phone. Give that much distance. And then you can check notifications from your phone with a quick glance on your watch. You can choose which apps you want to get notifications from in the settings. And we're going to do a quick review of those in this tutorial, in this video. Okay, so the watch is paired. So now what we want to do is we want to agree to the terms and conditions for the user. I click agree. So we want to link the plugins with the Galaxy Watch 3. I click OK. All right, I'll select all of those except for receipt of marketing information. Next. Now it wants us to take a look around. So this has been a quick unboxing overview and first impressions. We saw the unboxing and the overview. Now for my first impression. The watch is beautiful. The build quality is excellent. The Tizen OS is very intuitive. The display is top notch. So far, I love it. I have a little concern about the battery life, but I will make that determination in my full review. So please hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification button, and come back and check me out. I'm Bertrand, the Tech Man. And remember, before you buy anything, always check it out.
Be strong.